Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I use some clip-ins sent to me by Exclusive Blend Hair to add a little bit of volume and length to my natural hair. So these are what the clips look like, and this is just me showing you pretty much how to open and close the clips. And so you guys, quick disclaimer, the hair was sent to me with a natural color, just that dark color, but I decided to dye it, and it's definitely not the exact same color as my hair, so just work with me, okay you guys. And so I'm parting medium sections and just clipping the hair to my natural hair, and my sections are definitely not perfectly straight. So you definitely don't have to worry about that. You're really not going to be able to see that in the end anyway. But the clip-ins were super easy to install. I was having a little trouble, I think because my hair is so thick already, and just parting it and sticking the clip-ins in, it was just a little much. But I really like my end result, so you know, it was worth it. And so here I'm just spraying a little bit of water on my hair and the clip-ins. I'm going to section off a medium-sized piece to go ahead and do a 2-strand twist. So first I'm detangling my hair along with the clip-in. And to actually twist my hair, I'm going to be using the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream. And so I'm making sure I add a good amount and detangling again, and just making sure all my hair and the clip-in hair is covered with the cream. And I'm just going to start doing a regular 2-strand twist, and you want to make sure you aren't pulling your hair too hard. You don't want to snatch out your clip-in, but just, you know, gently twist your hair together along with the clip-in hair. And also when you're detangling your hair with the clip-in hair, you want to make sure you're holding the clip-in at the root so you don't yank the clip-in out. So when you're brushing through, just kind of hold it. As you can see, I'm holding my hair, and you know, just making sure that I do not pull the clip-in out of my hair. And so I'm just going to repeat those exact same steps all the way across this row and till I get ready to create my next section. And so you guys, I was sent the Afro Kinky texture, and this is 18 inches. So this is what the section looks like all twisted, and I'm on to the next section. So I was sent 2 bundles of hair, which included 4 clips, 4 2 clips, 4 3 clips, and 8 1 clips of clip-ins total. It's actually a lot of hair. I did not end up using all of the hair. So you guys, I was using a mirror behind me to try to see my parts and try to make it as straight as possible, so that is a good thing to do if you can have a mirror in front of you and behind you. I was using a handheld mirror and like a standing mirror behind me. And so here I'm just sectioning off the front section. I'm going to slick the left and right side down and add bobby pins for decoration. And so I'm just going to do this and then section this front section off, and then go back and continue adding my clip-ins in. And as I told you guys, the hair was 18 inches, but I ended up not liking the long hair. So what I ended up doing was cutting the hair to match my length of hair pretty much, and just blended it together that way. So here I'm adding a few more clip-ins at the top, and I'm almost done. I'm getting ready to just use my natural hair to cover the actual clips with. So I'm all done twisting the back and getting ready to start on the front. And so I'm just re-wetting my hair some and adding some Eco Styler gel and the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Edge Control. And I'm also detangling my hair because I want it to lay down as flat as possible. And I'm just going to secure my hair in the back and hide it with my twist, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. Now I'm also going to leave all the products and everything that I use below, and I also have a coupon code, so if you guys want to purchase this hair, use my code for some money off. And I'm tying my edges down first, and then next I'm going to put on my other scarf to tie the rest of my hair up as well. And so I'm going to just let my hair dry overnight. This is the next day. My hair is fully dry. I did also sit under the dryer for about 45 minutes. And I'm unraveling my twist. And as you guys can see, my hair definitely blended well with the clip-ins. And I'm just going to pick out my hair as usual. And I'm going to add my bobby pins, and I'm going to add them in a X shape all the way pretty much down to my ears. And I'm going to do the same thing for both sides. And so yeah, this is the final look, you guys. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. It was fun playing with these clip-ins for the first time in life. So definitely like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.